Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix domain not connected in Hostinger website builder at 2026. So the first step is to identify where you bought the domain. Discharge the solution. Okay, so you should be on or in one of these cases that I'm going to mention. The first one is domain bought from Hostinger, or the domain bought from another registered like Namecheap, GoDaddy, Google Domains, etc. So in that video, I'm going to show you how to fix a domain that's bought from Hostinger, okay? And this should connect automatically. If it didn't, you will need to go to the Hostinger website and then just click on the domains that's located on the left-hand menu. After that, you will find your actual domain just right here, so you'll need to open it and check the status. Okay, so if it's active, that's good, and also the name servers like Hostinger defaults. Okay, and if it's not correct, click change and go with save and wait from 10 to 60 minutes, sometimes up to 24 hours. Then go back to website builder and then publish. Okay, so actually guys, there are conditions. You will need to find the status active and the name servers Hostinger default. Okay, and if it's not correct, you will need to click on change name servers, then just save. Alright, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.